Hey guys, welcome back. I know you can notice something a little different. I did get my braces. I only have the top at this moment. I will be getting the bottoms. I do have a few more appointments to the dentist before I'm able to get my bottoms done, but I am excited and very happy that I've got this process started. But for what I actually brought you guys here for, I am doing an unboxing with you. I did put a poll on Instagram if you guys wanted to see the glitters that Glow4me sent me. Most of you said yes, you want to see it, so here it is today. She sent me around 23 glitters, so why don't I get started? The first shade that I'm going to start off with you guys is this shade here, which is a beautiful royal purple. It's like this. The next shade is Purple Haze, which is a grayish purple glitter with holographic reflex, which is really nice. Such a pretty shade. The next shade is LaLa Lavender, and it's a true lavender shade. Very, very cute. The next shade is called Rasberry Beret. This glitter looks like it's mixed with a light purple, a slightly bigger royal purple glitter, and holographic glitter as well. It's such a pretty glitter. Now that I've finished with the purples, I'll go ahead and with the blues. The first blue I'm going to show you is called Deep End, and it looks like this, which is a very true blue shade. I love it. I love it so much. The reflex is such a beautiful reflect as well. The last blue shade, which is actually a teal, it's called Atlantis, and it looks like this. Moving on to green, the first shade I'm going to show you is called Checkmate, and it looks like this. The next shade I'll be showing you is called Mint Green, which is a really mint green. It's such a pretty mint color. The next shade I'll be showing you guys is called Emerald City, and this is actually the glitter I have in my inner corners today, and it looks like this. Such a beautiful chunky glitter. This glitter is definitely on the mint green side. It has octagon shaped glitters. The first shade of orange I'm going to show you is called Sweet Pea, which it looks like this. It's a neon peach with a green iridescent reflect to it. Such a nice glitter. The next shade I'll be showing you is called Mine, and it looks like this. On camera, this is reflecting very pretty, but in person, this is one of my least favorite that I've swatched so far. This one is like a neon coral with octagon chunky glitter in it, and it has like an orangey base to it as well, which it's very different. It's a very different glitter. It is not as pretty as it seems on camera on my actual arm. Maybe I'd have to give it a try, use it, and see how it works, but as of right now, it's my least favorite one. The next shade I'll be showing you is called Pixie Dust. It's actually the color I have on my lids today. Very pretty. Finish with the orange and go in with my only yellow. This yellow is called Pink Lemonade, and it looks like this. This is one of my favorite shades out of here because it looks like a neon yellow, but in the light, when it reflects, it has a pink shine to it. So it really does capture the name Pink Lemonade. With the only red shade, I'm showing you Blood Money, and it looks like this, which I truly love this red. It really captures the name Blood Money. It has that red glitter, but green reflect to it, and I love that. Next shade we'll be diving into is called Blood Diamond, and it looks like this, which is like a deep raspberry shade. Very nice. Next shade I'll be showing you is called What a Beauty, and it looks like this, which is like a champagne-y pinky rosy shade. Such a nice color. The next glitter I'll be showing you is called Hollywood, and it looks like this, which is like a champagne gold. Very nice, very reflective. This is such a good staple gold to have. The next shade I'll be showing you is called Pagent Princess, and it looks like this. And this gold is definitely a little bit more bolder because of the holographic glitter in it, but it's still really pretty. The next shade is called Ransom, and it looks like this, which I love these type of golds. These more deeper golds are so pretty and eye-catching. I love them. And this one is just so beautiful and reflective. The next shade is called Fetty Dreams, And this is what it looks like. It's a chunky glitter with a rainbow reflect to it. Next shade is called Storm, and it looks like this. Also another chunky glitter. Next shade is called Hail Mary, which is a holographic reflective silver. And my last glitter is this black one here called Booty Call, and it looks like this. Alright guys, I went through each individual glitter with you guys. I'm a fine milled glitter kind of girl, and most of all of her glitters are finely milled. They're very reflective, different in color, and I love that about them. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite shade was. I would love to know. If you found this interesting and you want to see more, please click the subscribe button. I do upload a video on my channel every Monday. Follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. It's all at Centina Marie. And I also want to do a giveaway with you guys. It will be based here on YouTube and Instagram. In order to enter this giveaway, you must be following me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to like and comment this post on Instagram, and also comment what your favorite shade was in this video. And that's it. I wanted to make it really easy and simple since this is my first giveaway. The first winner, what they're gonna win is this shade right here, which is called Pink Lemonade. This is in their jar bottles that are valued at $9. The first winner will also be receiving this mint green in their heart-shaped container, Blood Diamond, and Hollywood. The second winner will be receiving What a Beauty, Booty Call, Fetty Dreams, and mine. Oh, also I recorded this look. I really love how this look came out, so stay tuned to my channel in order to see how I got this look. And until next time guys, bye.